So you want to make content every single day on YouTube? I'm doing that and already running into a few challenges that I wanted to share with you. Number one is coming up with ideas for content. I'm finding it's taking between 30 minutes to an hour to come up with content for videos. And then of course you're going to need to script those out as well. So if you're looking to do this, plan on spending quite a bit of time in the idea phase and definitely put together a content calendar. That's going to be a lifesaver for you. Number two is thumbnails. And creating thumbnails is definitely not my strong point, as you can probably already see from my YouTube page. Right now I'm using Keynote because I'm familiar with it. In the past I've hired someone on Fiverr and had pretty good luck with it. But I'm a smaller channel, and to pay somebody to create a thumbnail, 7 of them a week, gets really expensive. So I am definitely working on that. I like Keynote. Canva is another free tool I know a lot of creators use. But like they say, you want to try to get 1% better with each upload. And maybe a 0.5% better on my thumbnails. We'll see. Last but not least, the thing that I cannot wait to unload as this channel grows, and that is editing videos. This currently takes me hours to do, and obviously the longer the video, the more editing, and by the time you add B-roll and different things popping in and out, it can take quite a bit of time. So I would definitely be prepared to spend quite a few hours each and every day if you're going to produce a video every day just doing the editing. So those are probably the 3 that are the biggest challenge for me right now. But hey, like anything, if you want to grow, if you want to get out of your comfort zone, if you want to get better, then you have to do it. So I am going to do my best to get better at coming up with more ideas, getting better thumbnails, and getting better at editing.